I've teamed up with my friends at the flavor company Tony Chachere's to bring you a few tasty dishes with a kiss of Louisiana. Today, I'm making a classic Creole spice burger from the city of Lafayette, a double cheeseburger from the Judice Inn. Those who know the Judice know how great the place is, but they also know how specifically Acadian the flavor of the burger is. The Judice Inn opened in 1947, and almost 75 years later, it's still owned and run by the same family. Okay, let's make a burger. The Judice makes a straight-up griddled cheeseburger served in wax paper, no nonsense. They're cooked on a flat top, and they use a secret proprietary blend of spices on the burger that I believe is very close to Tony Chachere's. If you get a double cheeseburger, it also comes with a special red sauce that is a family secret, which I understand is made in secrecy, and the recipe is under lock and key. Well, I reverse engineered the sauce, and I believe I came pretty close. Mine is a combination of ketchup, tomato paste, Tony Chachere's pepper sauce, Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning, garlic powder, white vinegar, and black pepper. Just a guess. This is just a guess. I do not know the secret of this red sauce. At the Judice Inn, they use hand-formed thin patties and cook them on a flat top. One of my all-time favorite ways to make a burger. Hand smashing. Patties are definitely cooked with their secret Creole spice blend. But in this case, we're using Tony Chachere's. I'm pretty sure this is pretty close. American cheese is a must. Oh yeah. Go ahead. The burger to get at the Judice Inn is a double cheeseburger, but listen to this. The build is very specific. It's 2 Creole spiced patties with American cheese on a toasted bun with a mayo mustard combination, the special red sauce, grilled onions, and shredded lettuce. Look at that. It's a classic, it's beautiful, and that is authentic. That is an authentically perfect Judice Inn double cheeseburger with secret sauce. Wait, before I eat it though, the Judice Inn has never had fries. They probably never will. So reach up and grab a bag of Zapp's chips above the bar before you dig into your double cheeseburger. Oh, that's good.